Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show you step-by-step process how you can easily change the font size in Windows 11. So let's just start. The first thing you want to do is just be like in Windows 11, and if this video will be helpful, just you can support me and subscribe if you want to. Now the first thing that you want to do is right click here on the Windows, click settings, and just wait until it loads. Now when you're going to be here, you want to click accessibility, and then you're gonna have a text size here, and then you can simply increase the text size. Pretty straightforward, pretty easy, right? So this is pretty much how we do it, and this is how you can change font size in Windows 11. Thank you very much guys for watching, and have a great day and goodbye. See ya.